Leviticus, chapter 26, from the Bishop's Bible. Ye shall make you no idols nor grave image, neither rear you up any pillar, neither shall ye set up any image of stone in your land to bow down unto. For I am the Lord your God. Ye shall keep my Sabbaths, and reverence my sanctuary, for I am the Lord your God. If ye walk in my ordinances, and keep my commandments, and do them, I will send you rain in due season, and the land shall yield her increase, and the trees of the field shall give their fruit. And your threshing shall reach unto the vintage, and the vintage shall reach unto sowing time, and ye shall eat your bread in plenteousness, and dwell in your land safely. And I will send peace in the land, and ye shall lie down without any man to make you afraid. And I will rid the evil beasts out of the land, and there shall no sword go throughout your land. And ye shall chase your enemies, and they shall fall before you upon the sword. And 5 of you shall chase 100, and 100 of you shall put 10,000 to flight, and your enemies shall fall before you upon the sword. For I will have respect unto you, and make you increase, and multiply you, and set up my covenant with you. And ye shall eat old store, and carry out old, because of the new. And I will make my dwelling place among you, and my soul shall not loathe you. I will walk among you, and will be your God, and ye shall be my people. I am the Lord your God, which brought you out of the land of Egypt, that ye should not be their bondmen. And I have broken the chains of your yoke, and made you go upright. But and if ye will not hearken unto me, nor will not do after these commandments, and if ye shall despise mine ordinances, either if your soul abhor my laws, so that ye will not do all my commandments, but break my covenant, I also will do this unto you. For I will bring upon you fearfulness, consumption, and the burning ague to consume your eyes, and gender sorrow of heart. And ye shall sow your seed in vain, for your enemies shall eat it. And I will set my face against you, and ye shall fall before your enemies. They that hate you shall reign over you, and ye shall flee when no man followeth you. And if ye will not yet for all this hearken unto me, then will I punish you 7 times more for your sins, and will break the pride of your power. And I will make your heaven as iron, and your earth as brass. And your labor shall be spent in vain, for your land shall not give her increase, neither shall the trees of the land give their fruits. And if ye walk contrary unto me, and will not hearken unto me, I will bring 7 times more plagues upon you, according to your sins. I will also send in wild beasts upon you, which shall rob you of your children, and destroy your cattle, and make you few in number, and cause your highways to be desolate. And if ye may not be reformed by these things, but shall walk contrary unto me, then will I also walk contrary unto you, and will punish you yet 7 times for your sins. And I will send a sword upon you, that shall avenge my covenant, And when ye are gathered together within your cities, I will send the pestilence among you, and ye shall be delivered into the hand of your enemy. And I have broken the staff of your bread. 10 wives shall bake your bread in one oven, and they shall deliver you your bread again by weight. Ye shall eat, and not be satisfied. And if ye will not yet for all this hearken unto me, but walk against me, I will walk contrary unto you also in indignation, and will chastise you 7 times more for your sins. And ye shall eat the flesh of your sons, and the flesh of your daughters shall ye devour. I will destroy your high places, and cut away your images, and cast your carcasses upon the bodies of your idols, and my soul shall abhor you. And I will make your cities desolate, and bring your sanctuary unto naught, and will not smell the savour of your sweet odours. I will bring the land unto a wilderness, and your enemies which dwell therein shall wonder at it. And I will strow you among the heathen, and will draw out a sword after you, and your land shall be waste, and your cities desolate. Then shall the land enjoy her Sabbaths as long as it lieth void, and ye shall be in your enemies' land. Even then shall the land rest and enjoy her Sabbaths. As long as it lieth void, it shall rest, because it did not rest in your Sabbaths when ye dwelt upon it. And upon them that are left alive of you, I will send a faintness into their hearts in the lands of their enemies, and the sound of a shaking leaf shall chase them, and they shall flee as fleeing from a sword. They shall fall, no man following upon them. They shall fall one upon another, as it were before a sword, even no man following upon them. And ye shall have no power to stand before your enemies, and ye shall perish among the heathen, and the land of your enemies shall eat you up. And they that are left of you shall pine away in their unrighteousness, even in your enemies' lands, and in the misdeeds of their fathers shall they consume with them. And they shall confess their misdeeds and the misdeeds of their fathers, for their trespass which they have trespassed against me, and for that also that they have walked contrary unto me. Therefore I also will walk contrary unto them, and will bring them into the land of their enemies. And then at the least way their uncircumcised hearts shall be tamed, and they shall willingly accept their sin. Then I will remember my covenant with Jacob, and my covenant with Isaac, and my covenant with Abraham will I remember, and will think on the land. The land also shall be left of them, and shall enjoy her Sabbaths, while she lieth waste without them, and they shall willingly accept their sin, because they despised my laws, and because their soul abhor my ordinances. And yet, for all that, when they be in the land of their enemies, I will not cast them away, neither will abhor them to destroy them utterly, and to break my covenant with them. For I am the Lord their God. I will, for their sakes, remember the covenant of old, when I brought them out of the land of Egypt in the sight of the heathen, that I might be their God. I am the Lord. These are the ordinances and judgments and laws which the Lord made between him and the children of Israel in Mount Sinai by the hand of Moses.